Again, this time sporty and light hyper kit cover for Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's see this in close-up. This is how it looks like in the box. The exact model number, manufacture date. Oh, it's brand spanking new, but it's dirty from the store. So let's unbox this. Where's the seal? The seal is right there, and right there. And now, come on, Samsung. Ta-da! Ooh, look at it in close-up. Material is kind of funky. Okay, let's take it off. Okay, manual is inside in Arabic and all kinds of different language, all kinds. There's the sticker. There's a QR code here. Pause the video if you want to scan it. Made in China. Put it. Ooh, it is looking nice. It has all the cutouts for your microphone. It feels pretty grippy. Okay, where's the Galaxy? There's the Galaxy. There's my Galaxy. I'm currently using the Spigen Slim Soft Liquid Air cover. Let's remove it because it's very dark. It's a very dark cover. Let's clean my Galaxy to make the 100% shine. Okay, let's put it in. How do I put it in? Like this? I don't want to get oh, come on. Okay, this corner doesn't want to get in. It's original from Samsung. What the hell? Okay, it's in. Look. It's a lot more grippy than this one, plastic one. It's a very looking here. It's like it's some kind of material. Definitely not plastic. It's like, how can I explain it? Look how nice the button is. Yep. And it's some kind of fabric. Very soft fabric. You can peel your skin with this fabric. But what I'm worried about, I think it will get dirty pretty quick. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe not. Look. Now, the phone is looking pretty strange, pretty funky. What do you think, black or white? I think it depends on your mood. When you're getting down, you get black. When you are funky and happy, get white. Yep. And I think that's it. I like it. It's very grippy cover. I just hope it won't get very dirty and from hands and it won't get disgusting. Now it's awesome. Okay, that was just an unboxing on this HyperKit cover from Galaxy for Galaxy S9 Plus. That's the new stuff from Samsung. Brand new shit. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.